Welcome to the first Green Tech Boat Show here at Queen Anne's Battery Marina in Plymouth. This is an MDL marina and we are delighted to have welcomed some fantastic exhibitors here to join us to show our customers what green marine technologies there are available now and how they can get into green and sustainable boating.
It's great to see MDL Marinas really pushing at the frontier of this and saying to boat owners, boat owning can be green and clean and still fun and enjoyable and cost effective.
Definitely going to be coming back next year because it's got the right type of people that we wanted to talk to. I'm really impressed with MDL and how they're pulling together their marketing and being pioneers in the green tech space.
RS are very happy to be here today and to bring down the boat. Our point to be at the MDL Green Tech Boat Show is to start introducing people and educating people why it is. There's a lot of doubters out there. What if we run out and what's the cost? It's all about educating people